Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. He's not spirit, please. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. I'm Fitri Haryani Nasution from Anthropology Department, University of North Sumatra. Well, thank you very much for MC also. Thank you very much for God giving me chance to stand up here. And of course, salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Honorable judges, honorable all participants, honorable committee, and all my beloved friends here. Well, I take my theme, optimization potential of local resources. Optimization potential of local research. The question, what is potential of local research? Potential of local research is an ability or strength or power that in a district or place that can be developed to generate benefits or advantage for the region. I'm sure a little much we have known what is the potential of local resources in Indonesia. We are famous as the island nations. We are well known as the producer of fisheries and marine products. We are well known as a producer of excellent farming. Not just that, we are well known because our forests have always flourished. Another potential we have like mineral resources, gas, natural oil, and so on. And we cannot forget that we have a big potential in tourism potential that presenting many beautiful places in Indonesia. And is encouraged with we have wide variety of exciting cultural, we are at the high rate in the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, the question is, what like wealth of Indonesia? Potential of local research which more than ever is not in us. So, ladies and gentlemen, most important study now are no longer how many potential of local resources we have, but how we manage this potential of local resources. As a student, I made it to 3 steps that we must remember. First, explore. Second, develop. And third, love, of course. First, explore. Explore potential of local resource in your district. I'm sure you'll find it. When I ask for us here, what is potential of local research in North Sumatra? I'm sure we will have a same dominant answer like potential in tourism potential like Toba and encourage with handicraft ulas from Batak tribe, right?
Yeah.
So, not actually that. There's another potential in your district that we need to explore with lot of read, observe, participate. We can found it. Your duty as students is we need to recognize and explore what the potential of local research we have in our district. So after we know that, let's go to the second step. So second is develop. How we develop potential of local resources. I give you an example. There is a household business group in Pangkal, Sulawesi called Desa Cahaya Group. This group quite successful as a producer of product local of the results of the sea. So they harness their local potential as coastal area with using something like crab, fish, milk, seaweed, and some species of mangrove. So they not just improve the potential of their local areas, but also they are successful in empowering the wives of fishermen. So, ladies and gentlemen, we can take the lesson from this example. How to develop this potential of local resources. We need to do innovation and effort. Be creative one. We need to do innovation and effort to develop the potential of local resources. But don't forget to don't destroy nature and keep in reference for sustainable development. And last is love. Maybe you ask me what the relation of love. You know, the indicator success of optimization potential of local resources is love. Mentality of the nation that love and pride for using local products is most important. South Korea can be successful now. Is one reason. Most of the reason is because they love for using local products. So development and national character is very important to progress the nations. While our nations, look, we are very proud to using forage products from furniture, clothing, foods, and so on. So since now, let's reflect our our view, our attitude towards foreign products. Let's love for using local products. And three most convenient keywords, three keywords I told to you that we need to apply. First, explore. Second, develop. And third, love. Let's build Indonesia. That we need to do is work and relaxing. John F. Kennedy ever said once, don't ask what you give to your, don't ask what your country gives to you, but ask what you give to your country. So, since now, try to change our attitude and all our views, and let's do build Indonesia. We for the better life. We are all here. We are all here, nation of Indonesia, young, old, black, white, short, tall, and etc. We can do better for these nations. And once again, I told you, don't forget. Try to be students, be creative, innovative one, and remember, explore, develop, and love. Let's say together, I love Indonesia. I need your song. I need your voice. Let's say, I love Indonesia.
I love Indonesia.
Okay, thank you very much for your attention. I have for my speech, we can get some learning. Only to get pardon, and I'm so sorry for my mistakes. The last I close. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Because we're not going to celebrate with students, but also with parents. Oh, that sounds great. I also know that our kids are preparing for performance to their teachers. To know our students' performance preparations, let's check it out. Today, 31st January 2020, our nursery and pre-K students are having junior summer. They are making Oreo cupcake. They squeeze, crinkle, and put the Oreo on the top of their cupcake with their hand. It will help them to improve their fine motor skills. Do you want to see how much fun they have? Let's check this video.